In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split the query 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the split option in Grafana's Explore view, how it works, and how to resize the panes so you can view queries side by side with confidence. Start by heading to grafana.com and opening your Grafana instance. Splitting the query is a feature inside Explore, which is the workspace designed for ad hoc investigation, quick checks, and iterative query building. It's perfect when you want to compare two queries, evaluate different time ranges, or test variations of the same expression without jumping between tabs. Look to the left-hand side of the Grafana interface. That's the main navigation. Find Explore and open it. Explore gives you a clean query editor with a results area, plus a top toolbar that contains key actions. Focus on the top menu in Explore. Depending on your version and theme, you'll see controls like run query and time range along with icons for layout actions. Among these, you're looking for split. The label might read split, or you might see an icon that looks like two panels side by side. If you don't spot it immediately, scan the toolbar from left to right. It usually sits with other view or layout controls. Once you've located split, click it. Instantly, your Explore view divides into two panes. Each pane is its own Explore workspace, complete with a data source selector, a query editor, and a results panel. This means you can work with two queries at the same time, compare different metrics, or contrast two versions of a query expression while keeping both results visible. After the pane splits, adjust the layout so you can see your queries clearly. Hover over the divider between the two panes until your cursor changes, then click and drag to resize. Give more space to the pane that needs it, or balance them if you're comparing results line by line. If your screen is smaller, remember that you can also scroll within each pane. Resizing helps reduce scrolling and keeps critical information in view. A few practical tips as you work. Splitting shines when you're validating changes and need immediate visual confirmation. Keep an eye on the time ranges and data sources shown in each pane so you're making a fair comparison. If you're troubleshooting, try keeping the original query in one pane and the modified version in the other so you can isolate the effect of each change at a glance. That's it. You've gone to Grafana, opened Explore, found the split control in the top menu, click split to create two panes, and resize the divider to view the queries properly.